heard something, man. What was it? No, he's good. He's good. Okay, so hold your coconut to the left. We're starting to get the hang of this now, guys. Okay, we're going to start mixing up our fruit. We're going to go pineapple, coconut, pineapple, coconut. Okay, right, left, right, left. Here we go on my call. Pineapple, coconut, pineapple, coconut. How about a hand for the boys so far? Aren't they doing good? All right. Okay, guys, so we learned the pineapple to the right, coconut to the left. Imagine behind us, there's a papaya. When I say papaya, you stick out your back papaya, okay? So remember now, pineapple to the right, coconut to the left, papaya's behind us, okay? So starting off first to the right, here we go on my call. Pineapple, coconut, papaya. Man, that guy, he loves his papaya. Okay, how about I hand it for these guys so far? Are they doing well with the moves, man? These are some difficult, hard moves. Okay, so gentlemen, believe it or not, we learned the fruit salad dance, okay? We know pineapple to the right, coconut to the left, papaya behind us. When I say fruit salad, we're gonna grind all these moves together and we go as fast as we can, okay? Let's give it a shot. Introducing now the Elgin Community College Fruit Dancers to perform fruit salad. Hands on the hips, bend those knees, starting off first to the right. Here we go. Pineapple, coconut, papaya, fruit salad. Shake it. Hey, how about I have for these guys so far? Okay, so gentlemen, come over here. This is what we're going to do. We're going to have a contest. I have a surprise.